it's Krista Joya, and I was just in a meeting, which, first off, yes, I am still slowly transitioning out of the digital world, but for marketing. But while I was in this meeting, I think I've got more of a affirmation as to why another reason as to why I'm getting out. And I think that I should go live and post this video for all of you startups or people out there looking for branding or looking for a digital marketer, what to look out for, because I am so tired of having to clean up messes made by other so-called digital marketers. One big one. If you don't already have a website, do not let any website guru or whatever they want to call themselves talk you into having to pay an arm and a leg for a website. Literally, you can have a banging ass website built on Wix, and no, Wix did not pay me to say this whatsoever, but you can have one built on Wix for less than $500, and it's a great platform, and you can even use their app. I mean, I love it. Absolutely love Wix's platform. 2, if the digital marketer is going to charge you anything more than $2,000 a month for Facebook, for the 4 major ones, for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn, then run. Do not pass go, do not collect $200, just go, get your ass out of there. I'm telling you, if they're going to charge you more than $2,000, this is how it should be. They should be posting 5 days a week with different content on every single platform at your peak times. And your peak times, that's going to vary for everyone. But if they aren't doing that, and you're not seeing an ROI, then something's wrong. Because I've never had a client not see an ROI from marketing. Why? Because we make sure that we do it right. And whenever we do it, we do post on all platforms. Some clients are different. You might need Pinterest. You got to be on Google Plus, but the saying's true. It's like joining a gym. Everybody does it, but nobody really uses it. But you have to. And also, too, if the digital marketer does not get your website verified, very important. Number one step after you get your website built is you have to get it verified by the search engines and all the directory listings. You have to. It's not my rule. It is the rules of SEO. You have to get it done. And if they don't offer that in, then you gotta say bye. Another one is look at their contract. I am so sick and tired of this too, because I can always go and prove to where the marketer before me breached their contract within the first week of it. Within the contract, it should state that they will do this many postings, they will do this and that. They will do the blog articles. They will also do the press releases. They will do all the picture postings, especially for Insta. The videos are probably, depending on your industry, you're going to have to do that. Whatever industry you're in, especially if you're in plumbing or construction, you're going to need to be sending them in before and after videos. If they're not asking for that, then there's another flag that you need to find a new one. And if you find yourself asking questions and like having to call them a lot and ask them questions, then you need to find a new one. Because I'm telling you, I like to keep my clients so busy to where they don't even have time to call me for anything. And why don't they have time to call me? Because they're too busy, because I'm sending them an insane amount of work. That's the way it's supposed to be. And if the digital marketer is also not branding you as a person, there's something wrong. Because it comes with branding, you brand your business and you brand yourself. And if you're not branding yourself, I can promise you someone else is out there branding yourself for you.